Today, we will be discussing about medicines to treat diabetes. And the most important question that you will have in mind is why particularly you should be knowing about the medicines to treat diabetes. And if at all you start knowing about medications to treat diabetes, what is the role of a doctor, I must tell you certain things. I am not going to tell you which medicine to take or what to take, but must emphasize the fact that when 100 people are given the same medicines, the effect can be different. And at least if you know certain basic things, key, this medicine, I can expect this thing, you can bring it to the notice of the doctor early. Similarly, it's not uncommon for a diabetic patient to see multiple doctors, and there could be certain medicines given which may clash, which may cause problems. And so it is important that you show your medications to every doctor, the medicines that are given by other doctors. And we will be discussing very, very basic things about how should be your behavior regarding the diabetic medications. So before you take your medications, always better to disclose to the doctor that what are the allergies that you are having. A very common allergy is sulfa allergy, and sulfonylureas are common medications to treat diabetes. So you must tell your doctor that you are allergic to sulfa. So he will be careful. Or you are allergic to certain medication. It's possible, that you had taken some medicine in the past and the doctor you have changed. He's again writing the same medicine. It's a good medicine, but you know that you had a problem with it. So it's better that you tell beforehand so that you don't have the problem again. If you are taking certain other medications and the doctor is prescribing you, you tell, because the medicines prescribed by the doctor may interact with the medicines that you are already taking. You must also understand the correct doses of evening of the medication, whether to be taken in the morning, whether to be taken in the evening. You must also tell the doctor about a kidney, liver, or heart problem that you are having, because certain medications may not be allowed with a liver problem, may not be allowed with a kidney problem, may be compulsory if you have a heart problem that you must take these medicines. Like in diabetes, if the person is having a heart problem, he must take certain medicines. If the person is having a kidney problem, he must avoid certain medicines. Also, you must inform the doctor any unpleasant events you have experienced with the new medications. So let us try to see the diabetic medications. In brief, they are metformin, sulfonylureas, gliptins, SGLT2 inhibitors. They are unique because they cause glucose to pass in the urine. Alpha glucosidase inhibitors and PPR gamma agonist. I told you the names. I'm not going to discuss in detail. And obviously there could be insulin, and we will be discussing about it. So your diabetes medicine can be a tablet to be taken by mouth or an injection. Some of them, like insulin or sulfonylureas, can cause a low sugar or hypoglycemia. Some of them, like insulin, sulfonylureas, or pioglitazone, may cause weight gain. The good part of it is some of them, like liraglutide or gliflozins. I told you about SGLT2 inhibitors, gliflozins, medicines that cause urinary glucose loss to cause weight loss. If you had a past history of pancreatitis, tell the doctor. He will not prescribe you this gliptin group of medications. If you are allergic to sulfa, tell the doctor. He will not prescribe you sulfonylureas. If there is a nausea and gastric upset that you are experiencing, share with your doctor. He might change the medicine. He might reduce the doses of medicines. He might tell you the tricks to cope up with them. and you will be able to comply. Also, you must remember that taking diabetes medications is mere one of the things that you need to check your sugars. Healthy eating and physical activity are equally important part of your diabetes care plan. You must also accept that textbooks or the best people may tell you the best medicine, but you might be a unique person to whom that medicine may not suit, and some medicine which is not commonly used may do wonders for you because every person is God's own creation. Medicines which have side effects may also work good for you, and you might not have the side effect but have a good effect of them. And so it's important that you have a communication with your doctor. Start the medicines, monitor yourself, and be regular with your follow up. Always remember that when you are on diabetic medicines, your meals should be regular. Medications must be taken on time. Not taking medicines may increase your glucose levels, and if you are taking overdoses or not eating properly, your glucose level may go down. If there is an unfortunate, untoward effect of any medication that you are experiencing, it's better that you inform your doctor. And more so, if you are ill, if you are sick, or if you are undergoing a surgery, it's better that you inform the doctor that, doctor, I am being prescribed these medicines. I am under your care. Please give me fitness for surgery. Or currently I am ill. What should I be doing? And I'm sure that the doctor will be able to guide you. So what we understood is a appropriate behavior that you must be following when you are on diabetes medicine. And I'm sure that if you follow it properly, you must be able to live a successful life of a diabetic person as well as control your diabetes well. Thank you.